Local SEO and marketing have become game changers for UK entrepreneurs, especially in a business world where customers turn to Google before walking into a store. If you run a cafe in London, a boutique in Manchester, or a tech startup in Birmingham, optimizing your online presence locally can mean the difference between being discovered and being ignored. Local SEO, or search engine optimization, helps your business appear in local search results. Think best coffee near me, or plumbers in Leeds. To get started, claim and verify your Google business profile, ensuring your business name, address, phone number, and hours are accurate and consistent across all platforms. Upload high-quality photos, gather positive customer reviews, and post regular updates because 76% of people who search for a nearby business visit it within 24 hours. Use location-based keywords on your website and social media captions, like affordable marketing agency in London, to boost your visibility for local audiences. Content marketing is another powerful tool. Write blogs about community events, collaborations with nearby brands, or local industry insights to position your business as a trusted part of the neighborhood. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are perfect for connecting with local audiences through hashtags, geotags, and short-form video content that shows your brand's personality. For paid marketing, invest in Google Local Ads and Facebook geo-targeting, which allow you to reach people specifically in your city or postcode. Networking still matters. Attending local business expos, partnering with influencers in your area, or even sponsoring community events can boost your visibility both online and offline. Remember, UK consumers care deeply about authenticity and trust. 88% say they prefer buying from brands that are transparent and active in their community. Combining local SEO with community-driven marketing creates a powerful loop. Your online visibility brings customers in, and their positive experiences generate reviews and referrals that drive even more organic traffic. To go even further, make sure your website is optimized for mobile users. As over 65% of local searches in the UK happen on smartphones, add a click-to-call button, embed Google Maps, and ensure your site loads quickly because a delay of even 3 seconds can cause visitors to leave. Encourage customers to leave detailed reviews mentioning your products or location, as Google's algorithm uses this information to rank local businesses higher. Join local business directories like Yelp, Thomson Local, or the Chamber of Commerce listings, as backlinks from reputable UK sites strengthen your local SEO. Email marketing also plays a huge role. Send newsletters about new launches, local discounts, or events happening in your area. Use AI-powered tools to segment your audience by location and interests for better engagement. Don't forget about voice search with devices like Alexa and Google Home becoming common. Optimize your website for conversational keywords such as where can I buy vegan candles in Brighton, or who's the best accountant near me. Consistency, credibility, and community connection are key. When you combine SEO with genuine engagement, replying to reviews, supporting local causes, and staying visible across platforms, your business doesn't just rank higher, it earns long-term customers.